Welcome back to the channel for part 2 of our tofu special. We are going crazy. We're doing 3 special tofu dishes that are incredibly easy. Junko, our lovely chef and guide for the episode, has invited us over to her house. She's going to teach us 3 dishes. It's going to be amazing. I cannot wait. I literally cannot wait. Let's get to it.
Let's do it.
I don't know if you guys are old enough, but it's shake and bake. Nice healthy amount of oil. Sizzle. It is really good. There is a nice crispness to the outside because obviously we sauteed it, which is perfectly juxtaposed against the softness of the tofu inside. It's a great mouthfeel, but I love saying mouthfeel, so we're gonna say it again, mouthfeel. Really good, like surprisingly good.
Pepper.
Very similar texture to the akitashi tofu that we just had, as you would imagine, because it's prepared the same way, but there's that extra umami from the garlic, which I absolutely love. I think what really sells this dish for me is actually the sauce. Of course, the sauce. It's always about the sauce. The mushrooms have really come out into the sauce. And we did use some more flavorful dried shiitake, which I'm really enjoying. Again, you can use whatever mushrooms you want, dried or otherwise, but this sauce really, oh.
basically.
And it's got this meatiness to it, texture-wise. There's a bite to it, almost like a burger. Not as firm as a burger, but definitely.
Well, you can make it harder.
Yeah, you can always make it harder.
Yeah. Or softer.
Or softer. It depends on what you want. So I think tofu is so good for me because it really complements the flavor that you're putting in it or on it. And it's just the perfect vessel to kind of exhibit whatever flavor that is, be it takoyaki sauce, be it a mushroom sauce that you made, or of course, ketchup. Mayo.
Anything.
Soy sauce. It really is, it just takes on that flavor and embodies it perfectly. That's why I like it. Thank you, Junko, so much for joining us for these 2 episodes, especially for this opening my eyes, opening hopefully their eyes to the possibilities of tofu. I cannot express how grateful we are for you. Thank you.
Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you very much.
Hopefully we'll see you again soon,
Yes.
Sooner than later.
Yes.
So thank you for joining us on these special episodes, and we'll see you again as we take another bite out of the tofu web.